Hello everyone, Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. The sun is shining. It's about 95 degrees. Another beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. For today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful Gulf access home. This home is new construction, built in 2023. It is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 2,800 square feet. I'm going to take you guys inside, flip that camera around, and give you the quick tour. All right, everyone, coming on in. Hopefully you didn't hear that background noise. There's a lot of work going on outside there. Garbage trucks coming by. It is garbage day in this particular neighborhood. I'm going to give it a wide shot, and then also somebody across the street is having some gutters installed. So there's a lot of scraping and cutting of metal. So 4 bedrooms with a den, 3.5 baths. This place is beautiful. It's on a 150-foot wide Gulf access canal. I'll make sure to include the price in the description box below. I know everyone's yelling at me for that lately. So I'm just going to give you the quick entry here. Guess that was the smoke detector. So here is the entryway coming in at the backup. It's very, very large. Give you an idea. If you guys aren't noticing a trend, this type of floor is starting to become more and more popular. That's really slick looking. It's that larger, quote unquote, Miami style tile. This is the den. So when you first come in, you've got the den, and then it does have these barn door glass sliders. Plus it does have a small closet, so I guess you could deem it a bedroom if necessary, but it's listed as a den. Let's go ahead and take you into the 3-car garage. We have the 3-car garage, which is great for storage. Plenty of room to keep cars and other toys, a small boat if you have it, jet ski if you don't do a dock out back, which obviously if you're on a Gulf access canal, you are definitely going to want to look into adding a dock. Coming in, we have inside laundry with some attic access there. Got some upper cabinets, a nice large sink basin there, and I'm going to pan around to the half bath and give you a quick look at the beautiful living and kitchen area. Oh my, that's going to get on my nerves. I had to zoom out to 0.5. It's rather large in here, almost 2,900 square feet. Very, very high ceilings, as you can tell. And set up for everything. I'm going to go this way to the primary bedroom. Try and hustle as quick as I can. I don't want to take up too much of your time. No carpet. They've got that new super slick tile, which is the in thing. It's that quote unquote Miami style, as I mentioned earlier. Good size primary bedroom. High ceilings, plenty of light, beautiful view of that canal. We'll get to that outside living in a moment. Good size closet. So you've got 2 closets in here. Another closet there. High ceilings throughout. This is absolutely beautiful. This is unique. I've never seen this before. You've got your water closet here, which, don't want to break any glass, but you've got glass there. And then here we have the vanity. Try not to show myself in the mirror. And we've got another vanity over here. So dual sinks, And then this, I'm a big fan of the rain shower. If you watched any of my videos, I gripe quite a bit about the fact that there are not many rain showers in these beautiful homes. Let's go on ahead and open it up. Oh, that smoke detector is getting on my nerves, if you can hear it in the background. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. Love it, especially that. And let's go on over to the, oh, wrong turn. I'm not going to edit that out. We're just rolling with it, guys. Here is the beautiful kitchen with the waterfall edge there, which give you guys a quick shot of that granite. And we have Bosch microwave and oven, pot filler, very, very nice. Backsplash all done up, and plenty of cabinet space for you. Oh my Lord, I apologize about that. Gonna go over to guest bedrooms here. Pretty standard, par for the course. Good sized closet there. I'll show you on the other one. High ceilings, pretty standard. And here you have the LED setup for your vanity. Nice tile in the guest bathroom. That's guest bathroom 1. And fairly standard, like we said. Most of these bedrooms are gonna kind of look the same. Average closet for you there. And we're gonna go on to the 4th bedroom in the back. Hopefully this looks steady. Been having some trouble with the gimbal lately. So here is another setup for a suite style. We've got a large closet here, the bedroom with access out to the slider, and it has a separate bathroom here. So this is your 3rd full bath, the half bath we saw when we came in. This also doubles as your pool bath because there's storage set up here. And let's go on out to the beautiful outdoor living area. Phenomenal out here. There is a ton of space out here. Beautiful wide panoramic screen, so you get that view. Nice Lastello on the pool. This is a shot of the truss. If you saw the last couple videos, I made mention about tape lines and things that are going wrong with the outside. If it's not stuccoed or this wood, over time the tape lines where the drywall is will fall and you'll have to have that redone. No worries here. As you can see, beautiful lanai space, beautiful pool, couple seats there. It's all about outdoor living here in Southwest Florida, and this home definitely gives you that. You can put a TV out here if you need to, especially during football season. Little access from the primary, and these doors will pocket, so they will go all the way open during the quote-unquote winter. You get that nice breeze through here. Beautiful pavers. Lots of lanai space. I think it's about 750 square feet of lanai space. But I'll throw all those specs down there for you. And a nice outdoor kitchen. This house definitely made for entertaining, having friends and family over, enjoying the outdoors. Put a nice dock out here. You've got everything you need. Here we go. Look at that. Take it out back so you guys can see. Let's try not to fall here on the steps. That would probably make the video go viral. Maybe I should try that. And here we are. Do not fall into the water. As you can see, beautiful canal. And zoom out a little bit more. That's as far as I can go. Back of the house. You can definitely have a beautiful dock out here. It is a 150-foot Gulf access canal. I'm going to flip the camera around and close this video out for you guys. Welcome back, everyone. Chris Jarzik here. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour video of this beautiful Gulf access home. Remember, 150-foot Gulf access canal. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties here in Southwest Florida, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. And don't forget, I will go ahead and put all of the specs in the description box below. If you have any comments, throw them down in that comments section. And if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That will motivate me to bring you more home tours and informational videos. Thanks for checking out today's video. Chris Jarzik, MVP Realty, and I'll see you on the next one.